Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token price analysis. Now, let's assume you want to buy $100 worth of Tectonic token. Now, this video is kind of showing kind of prediction based on fake token deleting between 1 to 3 or 4 zeros in the future. Now, if we decide to invest just $100 and we decide to leave this $100 for some time, how much can we really make with Tectonic? Now, of course, with $100 you're going to buy about 525 million tokens of Tectonic at the time of recording this. If you decide to invest $100 now, some people will tell you they are waiting for 1 0. Some will tell you they are waiting for Tectonic token to delete 2 0. At the time of recording this, Tectonic token is currently trading with about 6 zeros. Okay, now waiting for Tectonic token to delete 1 to 3 zeros. For me, I'll be waiting for just 1 0. Now, if Tectonic token deletes 1 0, then definitely I'll be making about $1,010. Remember, our investment is about $100. Now, what's the possibility of Tectonic token deleting 1 0? This coin have already pumped before. That was before last year, the beginning of last year. Last year we experienced a crypto crash. Now, even Shiba Inu, if Shiba Inu hit back at its all-time price, Shiba Inu will be pumping 800% increase in price. And if Tectonic token also push up to where it was, Tectonic token will be gaining over 400 to 500%. And now, according to experts, they say BTC will be hitting over its all-time price. Now, imagine Bitcoin hitting over $65,000-$70,000 and so many coins trying to hit back at all time. Then definitely Tectonic token will be trying to delete 1 0 bit by then. That is, you'll be making about $1,000. Now, by the time you remove your initial investment of $100, you'll be making about $910. That is, if you buy at the time of recording this. So for me, I'll be going for Tectonic token deleting 1 0. I mean, $900 is a good, is still a good profit for me. So what do? I might decide to cash out $600, $700 and reinvest the $300 that is remaining. Then I can now forget about the $300 waiting for the time this coin might be deleting between 1 more 0 or 2 zeros. Now, if Tectonic token deletes 2 zeros, your $100 or 525 million coins of Tectonic will be worth about $10,000, and 3 zeros will definitely worth about over $100,642 at the time of recording this if you buy this coin. So why some are waiting for this amount, some are waiting for 10,000, others are waiting for 1,000. But remember, this is crypto industry where anything can happen. So for me, I'll be going for a 0, but I will still invest. So please kindly know that if you want to buy, that doesn't mean you must buy $100 or you must invest $100. Please invest what you can afford to lose. This is just a strategy. So just buy. At least if you can buy 10, 20, whatever you can afford to lose, you should be ready to invest in any crypto coins you want to buy. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.